I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up BT Hub 2 updated. First, place the hub by your main phone socket, connect the broadband cable, and plug in power. Wait for the LEDs to indicate a stable connection before continuing. Use the default admin details printed on the hub to access the web setup, change the Wi-Fi name, and set a strong password for secure home networking. Begin by inserting the broadband cable into the WAN port on the back of the hub, then connect the power adapter to a reliable outlet. Allow the hub a few minutes to boot and cycle its lights until the internet indicator is steady. If you have a phone line, attach the microfilter to avoid interference, and ensure the hub sits upright with space around it for better cooling and stronger wireless performance. Quick recommendation: if you like taking breaks with a good read while tech setup finishes, try the Kindle Paperwhite for a comfy, glare-free experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical tutorials and tips. I've dropped a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Then now let's get back to the video. Connect a laptop or phone to the hub's default Wi-Fi, then open a browser and navigate to the admin page shown on the hub label. Log in with the printed admin password, immediately update that password, and configure your Wi-Fi name and encryption to WPA2 or WPA3 for safety. Check for firmware updates in the dashboard, apply them if present, and reboot the hub to finalize the configuration so devices connect reliably across your home network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.